Hello everyone! Now we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, divide it into two parts, make two braids out of it, roll it upwards and tie it up in place. Use a decorative hair stick on either end and push it through. Taking the bottom of the two braids you have made, roll it upwards and once again pin it up in place. Use bobby pins once again to fasten it in its place. Make two braids on either side and roll it upwards, once again pin it up in place. Now, for our next hairdo, we will start off by making two ponytails on either side and tie a rubber band to it. Now, using this hairnet, take this bobby pin and then insert this hairnet around either side. Use decorative hair sticks on either side and then wrap the sections of the hair you made on the side around it as such. Roll it upwards and then pin it up in place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Wrap this around the bun at the top. Use decorative hairpins on either side, tie a low ponytail at the bottom. Leave out two small sections of the hair in the front. Next, take the back section of the hair at the top, tie it up, and then afterwards divide it into two portions. Insert a hair stick through the middle, and then afterwards wrap the rest of the hair around this hair stick as such. Twist it in the process of doing so, and then tie a rubber band to the small excess amount of hair that is present. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, right underneath it, repeat the step as such. Use a decorative hairpin and then pin it up in place. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair at the back and then begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, leave out sections of the hair as you go on with it as such. Now, leaving out the sections of the hair, take this and then begin to make a braid out of it in the middle at the back. Use all of the sections that you have left out on either side and then tie a rubber band to it at the base once you reach the base as such. Next, we'll take this hairnet, tie a ponytail out of the hair, and then wrap this hairnet around this ponytail. Lift it up and then add a rubber band at the base of this. Wrap it around into a bun as such, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin or any other such clip. Once you have done this, this is what it should look like. Use a decorative hair stick on either end. You may also use a decorative pin in the front as well. You may also use one at the back as we have done so. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, twist it upwards. Use a two-pronged decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place from one of the sides as such. Comb the hair onto the other side, then tie a rubber band at the end of it, and now you may roll the hair in on itself. Wrap it up into a bun as such, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin underneath it as such. Adjust the hair as need be. Next, tie a ponytail out of the top section of the hair and now roll the hair in on itself at the back as such. Divide the hair into two portions and then afterwards take small sections of the hair, insert it through the top section that you have created as such, make multiple of these. Do the same onto the right side as well. Now once you have done this, take the sections that you have taken out as such or rather pull through and then use these sections by joining them together at the back using a rubber band, then roll the hair in on itself about 2 times over. Lift up the central part and then pin it up in place using this decorative pearl. Add a decorative pin on top of this as well. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then taking a section of this ponytail, begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, divide the section into two parts, take sections from either side and then make them crisscross in the middle. Lift this up, make it into a bun and then tie it up in place as such. Add a rubber band in the middle section, roll the hair in on itself. Wrap it up into a bun as such and then tighten the hair around it. Then divide the two portions, wrap it up underneath, add a rubber band to it and then insert it underneath as such. Pin it up using a decorative bow. Now, add this decorative piece to the top of your ponytail. Begin to make a braid out of it. Now, as you progress with this braid, use this section as a braid that is a section in the braid as such. Add a rubber band once you reach the bottom of this. Now, once you reach the bottom, you may roll this up and then make a bun out of it as such. Once again, fasten it in place either using a pin or you may also use a rubber band in order to do so. We have used bobby pins. Next, take this hair stick, wrap the hair around it and then pin it up in place as such. Make a bun. Thank you for watching.